Hey, let's get into how I do these lock sprinkles. I'm just gonna show you how my hair look from the back and then show you how it's done. So Michaels have a whole wall of different beads, so that's where I found this at. I have some thread that matches the color of my hair, and of course it comes with a needle. This is also found at Michaels. You'll also need a pair of scissors. I unravel a good amount of string so that it makes the tying the knot process a lot easier. You'll see what I mean in just a second. Definitely get a needle with a wide opening, makes it a lot easier. Now just stick the needle through your lock and just try to grab onto one of the strings. You know how you pull it through to make two strings now? Just grab one so that you can hold on to it as you pull the needle all the way through, allowing just one side of the string to come through. After that, you just string the bead. Tie the knot. And make sure you double it. Triple it if you have to. And now you know what time it is. Time to snip it. Right close to the bead. There we go. Boom. And there we have it, lock sprinkles. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, comment, and share.